Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are stepping outside, quite literally, to explore the timeless charm and functional beauty of wooden awnings. A wooden awning isn't just a shade structure. It is a statement of craftsmanship, a bridge between architecture and nature. It defines space, controls light, and adds instant character, whether over a patio, doorway, or garden nook. So let's dive into how these structures can completely transform your home's outdoor personality. At its heart, a wooden awning is a dialogue between structure and sunlight. Unlike metal or plastic alternatives, wood interacts with light in a living, organic way. The grain catches the glow of sunrise, softens the afternoon glare, and deepens in tone with every passing year. It doesn't just carve your outdoor space, it enhances it. A well-designed wooden awning blurs the boundary between indoors and outdoors. It invites you to linger longer, to sip your coffee under filtered sunlight, to listen to rain against timber, to enjoy shade that feels like a natural extension of your home. Wood brings something that aluminium, vinyl, or composite materials can't replicate: warmth. It breathes, it ages gracefully, and it adapts to the character of your home. When you build an awning from wood, you are adding a touch of tradition and craftsmanship that industrial materials simply lack. The texture of cedar, teak, or pine adds tactile richness. The scent of treated wood evokes nature itself. It is not about perfection, it is about presence. Wood feels alive, and that's what makes wooden awnings so inviting. A wooden awning changes how you experience your home. It filters sunlight into golden layers, casting gentle patterns that move with time. It turns harsh midday heat into soft, livable comfort. In evening hours, with subtle lighting woven into the structure, maybe warm LED strips or hanging lanterns, the whole area transforms into a cozy retreat. Suddenly, your patio or balcony isn't just a functional corner, it is an outdoor living room. What gives that emotional resonance? It makes outdoor time feel intimate and connected, as if the house itself is exhaling into the open air. Wooden awnings are as much about engineering as they are about aesthetics. The thickness of beams, the spacing of slats, the angle of projection, each element changes how light and air move through the space. When crafted with care, even simple horizontal slats can create a sculptural rhythm, offering both shelter and openness. You can go exposed rafters for rustic charm or sleek laminated panels for a modern look. The joinery, finish, and grain direction all play a role in defining personality. The key principle is harmony. Your awning should belong to the house, not compete with it. Wood pairs beautifully with almost any architectural style. In contemporary homes, Clean lined timber awnings complement glass facades and minimalist exteriors. In traditional or colonial houses, carved wooden brackets add character and historical depth. And in tropical or Mediterranean settings, slatted timber awnings filter sunlight while still allowing air to flow freely. Wood is a universal language in design. It adapts, softens, and integrates effortlessly. Yes, wood requires care, but that is part of the relationship. A well-maintained wooden awning can last decades. With the light protective finish, oils, sealants, or UV-resistant coatings, it can withstand harsh sun and rain beautifully. And unlike synthetic materials, wood doesn't fade into dull uniformity. It patinas. It develops character, a subtle silver tone, faint lines of age, traces of sunlight and season. It evolves with you rather than deteriorating apart from you. At the end of the day, wooden awnings are not just about practicality. They're about experience. They turn ordinary spaces into soulful retreats. They let you enjoy the weather without being ruled by it. A wooden awning feels like a conversation between architecture and nature, timeless, grounded, and endlessly beautiful. When you sit beneath one, you're not just in shade, you're in harmony. Thank you for watching. If you found this exploration inspiring, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. So until next time, happy decorating.